These lights are so hot. Hey guys, it's Patrick Starrr. Welcome back to my channel. I just hit my light. Hey guys, it's Patrick Starrr. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome to my channel. Yes, I am a boy. And I love it. So, I hope you guys learned something new today. Today we are going to learn, well, I'm going to teach you my way of how to get a overdrawn, juicy, succulent DSL lip. If you guys don't know what a DSL is, ask your gay best friend, ask your girlfriend, ask your mom. Wait, don't ask your mom. Ask your dad on what DSLs are, but nonetheless, it stands for juicy, succulent lips. Anyways, all you guys need is a lip gloss, a lipstick, and a lip liner, and that's all that you guys need. And I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. I'm a little bit hyper because I just saw Ariana Grande. Yes, I saw her in concert here in Orlando. Yes! If you guys aren't following me on Snapchat, maybe you guys can see ya. But if not, I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial, and let's get right into it. Oh, and really quick, before you watch the tutorial, y'all better subscribe, okay? Thank you. Okay guys, so first things first, I'm gonna start off with like I said, a pencil, a lip gloss, and a lipstick. But really quick, the lipstick and the lip gloss that I'll be using is Nude lip gloss by Gerard Cosmetics and Nude lipstick. This is like my ultimate combo. They're $20 each. My lips. This is gonna look so ridiculous to some of you, but so fierce to some of you. And if you don't like it, then don't watch it. In the words of Manny. But I don't curse. I'm a lady. So, as you guys can see, I'm lining my lips like so, slowly. And I go over this, by the way, as you guys can see. So there, that's my lip line. But what I'm gonna do is my lip line slopes down. But I like to be juicy up top. So what I'm gonna do is overline the outsides. As you guys can see, I created like a wide, flat McDonald's sign, like the big M. So it's kind of like two brown arches from McDonald's. I'm loving it. So next, I want to feather in the corners and fade it in. So as you guys can see, I'm feathering in the liner. And you kind of want to stretch your lips so it's not so big. I mean, not so wrinkly. I personally like to add a cupid's bow. You don't have to. And then you should end up with chola lips. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my lipstick that I love, which is Nude. It's an amazing pigmented, creamy, like lip color. It's just that right amount. Mine is janky because I take it with me everywhere. It's like that nice, it has like a little bit of peach and coral to it. It's just a perfect nude for me. And what I like to do is I like to focus. What I like to do is that I like to start from the middle. This is a tutorial on also how to contour your lips as well. Contour and highlight. That's what we're doing when you overline your lips. That's why I kind of feathered in and contoured the corners. And then now I'm going to highlight with this lipstick. So what I want to do now is I kind of want to go over the brown ass liner. And that way it can kind of peek through. I learned a trick from Matthew Anderson, the makeup artist for RuPaul. And I saw his transformation on James St. James. And he said to lift any dead brown lip, add a little bit of color. So coral color. So that's what I'm going to do with the gloss. The gloss adds that perfect hint. It just counteracts like the brownie ness of the lip. Because you know, like when you see those highlighting and contouring videos where people streak the face. I don't do that for my face because you guys should have watched my highlight and contour video. But for the lips, I like to contour underneath the lipstick so you can kind of have this sort of shape going on. What really helps in this technique is to have a pigmented lipstick. You can't have a sheer tone or cream sheen or luster sheen lipstick. You can't. It simply won't work, this technique. That's if you want to overline. Okay guys, last but not least, when you're satisfied with your DSL, then take your gloss, and then the one that I'm using again is Nude, and then you're just gonna pop it in the center. And everything just blends in together. Hey guys, so this is the finished, not look, the finished lip. And I hope you guys learned something on how to get this via contouring, highlighting the lip, glossing it up. The gloss is optional, but you know, juicy lips are juicy lips when they're glossy, and I love that, and I hope you guys love this tutorial. This technique can be applied with ombre lips if you want to go for that vampy ombre with like a dark purple liner, like a red lip, or with any color, like purple to pink. Tag me on Instagram, hashtag Patrick Starrr, if you guys try this at home. I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. Again, I love you, I thank you. Don't forget, life opens up when you do, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Take a look at my nose. What am I gonna say? I always forget. Hey guys! Hey guys! Hey guys! Hey guys! Hey guys, it's Patrick Starrr. Welcome to